morning, everybody. Two of my senior speakers from tire industry, they have given their valued comments on tires. And the last thing what they have pointed out, that without tire the car will not move. The same thing, without a battery the car will not move. It's related with tire as well as with battery, the car will not move. So the first thing, let me introduce myself. I'm Devapratim Das from India. I'm having a 26 years of rich experience in tire industry and also in batteries. You can say I'm very delighted to give a presentation on warranty management on behalf of Al Mukarram Auto Spare Parts. The company having his head office in Dubai, and we are having our branch offices in China, Europe, Africa. To start with, let me talk about what is this warranty management system. Basically, we know what is battery, but we don't know what is the warranty of a battery. Most of my dealers or distributors I have seen in my last 16 years, they have faced problem during this warranty management system. So that is why we have chosen this topic to say what this warranty management system talk about and how it has to be implemented to earn a revenue growth in their existing business. Warranty management is the next frontier in the ongoing battle to cut cost. In today's scenario, everybody is fighting to cut cost, to earn more revenue. So this warranty management system is the next frontier to battle all the cut cost. Companies that use a best practice approach to warranty management can provide better value to customer while improving their bottom line. A 2010 study from Warranty Week Management magazine estimated that the top 50 US-based automotive manufacturers spend roughly around 3 billion annually on warranty expense. For such type of manufacturers, warranty costs represents as much as 5 to 6% of their total earning revenue. Best companies, however, have learned how to leverage warranty management as a significant source of cost competitiveness. Companies, those have mastered the discipline on warranty management, not only reduce cost, but also increase customer satisfaction and service revenues, thus improve their revenue growth. Go back. Warranty costs are determined by three major key factors. The first, the product reliability and maintainability. Warranty terms and conditions need to be discussed with the customer, and a proper service setup and prompt delivery. Out of these three major key factors, the first two factors contributes 70% loss towards revenue generation. Warranty management module will enable you to track product warranties and manage work process for inward warranty, that is a manufacturing warranty, and also out of warranty from the customer's end. This helps to keep invalid warranty claims from your dealers at bay and increase accuracy of claim settlement and minimize revenue leakage. Warranty management system is for those companies who believe in CRM and settle the warranty claims right at the spot, which are raised from their dealers and also from their end users. To improve the warranty management performance, first assess the maturity of your current warranty strategy and the policies and also the practices. Develop a practical roadmap for advancing higher levels of warranty management to extend better service support towards your end user. There are following guidelines in the warranty management system to increase your revenue. The first one, align your warranty strategy with business and operational strategies. Number two, establish and reinforce clear warranty policies for your customers. Number three, Develop effective service support practices in line with the principle of the company. And number 4, align the guidelines for end users to increase the product life. Now, let me ask you the question, and today's topic, is the warranty management system a value driver that can fuel the revenue growth? Yes, my dear colleagues, yes, the warranty management system, if implemented strictly, if you adhere to your system and your policies, definitely it's going to give you a revenue growth. What is the synopsis? Streamline service process. The first thing is streamline your service process. Maximize efficiency to resolve customer complaints. Brief your customer on warranty norms. Adhere with your stringent warranty norms. Enhance revenue growth. This is the synopsis. And what are the drivers for battery industry success? You should build and equip service centers at potential markets. When we say potential market means when there is a potential buyer, when there is a potential dealer, that is your potential market. There you need to set up your service centers to reach the end users. Appoint auto electrician. This is a very, very important thing, to appoint an auto electrician to improve your warranty management system. Maintain FIFO system at your warehouses and check open circuit voltage and the specific gravity on periodical intervals of your existing stocks. Display basic warranty guidelines to increase customer awareness. We should speak to our customers what are the basic warranty guidelines. Call customers, end users at periodical intervals to extend value-added service. This has to be done from the dealer's point. They should call the customers on a periodical intervals to extend their value-added services. Fixed journey cycle plan, FJCP plan for the entire sales team to resolve warranty issues right at the spot. So at the end, when we talk about, if we look at all the drivers for this battery industry success, this will give you definite revenue growth. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now I know we're running close to time, but I did promise you the opportunity to grill these experts. So I need to put some chairs up so that they can join us.